just arrived at Piattelli. I have wine tasting at 1 o'clock, so got about 10 minutes. So beautiful, beautiful location. Cafayate, outside of Salta. So we're starting the wine tour at Piattelli with first a visit of the vineyards. So we'll be outdoors for a little bit. So beautiful structure back there. Now we're headed to the vineyards. This is probably one of the most beautiful vineyards that I've seen actually so far. So we'll see. Very neat. Very cool.
Con estos vinos, ¿no? Que son uno de Cafayate, que es el torrontés, y uno de Mendoza, que es el chardonnay. Siempre la copa que
On the
quieran.
right we have Torrontés, and on the left we have Chardonnay. From Cafayate y Chardonnay from Mendoza. Alright, I'm in Piattelli winery in Cafayate. So they have winery in Mendoza as well. So I'm going to try these two Malbecs. This one is from Mendoza, so I'm going to try this one first. For a little bit. Very good. Delicious. So clean the palate a little bit. And now I'm going to try the one from Cafayate. Wow, there's a notable difference. This one's a little more fruity. Wow, and look at the colors, they're also different. The one on the left, the one from Mendoza, has a lighter color. The one on the right is a little bit more robust. So it's a good experiment today, Piattelli. I'm on my third course. I just finished an empanada, that was the second course. But I just wanted to say that this wine at Piattelli called Arlene, a blend of Malbec, I think it's 87% Malbec and 13% Cabernet Sauvignon, is unbelievably good. It's exquisite. And so I highly recommend this. And look at this setting out here. Piattelli has won my heart. I definitely recommend this as one of the best wineries that I've ever visited. I've been to a few. Salud.